If you have no sound in Windows 11, then we know how to fix it. Simply watch this video till the end to learn how you can solve this issue. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, where we help you solve tech issues. One of the common bugs on Windows 11 is the no sound issue. This can happen due to a multitude of factors. Here, we have shown you how you can solve it. So simply watch this video and perform the shown steps. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Now, let's jump into the solutions. First, check the absolute basics. Click on the speaker icon and check if the sound is not muted. Also check if you have the correct playback device selected. Next, check if the speakers are not malfunctioning or turned off. Once you have checked the basics, try running the audio troubleshooter. Type troubleshoot in the search bar and select the top result. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run next to the Playing Audio option. Windows will check for issues with the sound. Simply follow the instructions to complete the process. If this doesn't work, then try updating the audio drivers. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand Audio and Inputs and Outputs section. Right-click on the audio device and select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and Windows will check for any available updates and automatically update it. Restart your PC. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.